Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Buffalo Chicken Calzone. Let's get to it. Here's the ingredients. Yeast, diced celery, diced scallions, Italian seasoning, 1 beaten egg, hot sauce, Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, ranch dressing, shredded chicken already cooked, and the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. Now we're going to make the pizza dough for the calzone. We're going to add the yeast, to the flour, some salt, some oil, and some warm water. We're going to mix this up together. Now, after we mix it up, we're going to knead it.
So you're kneading the dough here now?
Yeah. Now I think it's kneaded enough. And we're going to roll it into a ball. I have a bowl here, and I've oiled the bowl.
How long does this take to rise?
1 hour, because it's not bread. We're making pizza dough.
So what's next?
We're going to make the filling for the calzone.
Okay, this part should be pretty fun.
Now we're going to add the chicken, the diced celery, the scallion, the hot sauce, and the cream cheese. And the ranch salad dressing.
So this is like eating a buffalo wing and a pizza shell almost.
Yes.
See, I love my wing, but I never had a Buffalo calzone, regular Italian made ones. This is different for me.
I floured the surface here that I'm using to roll the dough out on. Now, we're going to cut the dough into 6 balls. Now, we're going to roll them in a ball.
You know what we forgot to tell the people? We forgot to tell them where to find those ingredients at. You can find those ingredients in the description box below. So you took a dough ball and you rolled it out into a circle now?
Well, not this time. I'm going to pull it and stretch it. That's how they do the pizza dough. Now, I'm forming it into a circle with my hand after I stretched it. Now, I'm going to use this measuring cup here and scoop some of the mixture, spread it out a bit.
Into the shell. This is going to be the future shell you're making here now, right?
The filling.
The filling for the shell.
Now we're going to put some Monterey Jack cheese in it on top. Now I'm going to take some water and take my finger and go around the edges.
That's to make sure you seal it together, right?
Yes. Bring this over. I'm going to take a fork and seal
the shell.
Yes. Then we prick some holes on the top to let out the air. Then I have a baking sheet here lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to put it on that.
So you're making a second one just to show the viewers how to do it and make sure they learn how.
Yes, I'm making a second one so they can see if they didn't catch the first one. Stretch it out.
It's like it starts off like a mini pizza, then you turn it into a mini meat pie. That's what it looked like almost.
Yeah, you can say that. Not the water. I forgot the cheese. The Monterey Jack cheese on top.
You can't forget that. That's important.
Yeah. And now we seal it up.
You folding it.
Fold it over. Press it down. Get the fork. Close it up.
You know, this actually almost reminds me of a beef patty, actually, more so than a pizza or a thing. It's the same process you make in a Jamaican beef patty, which you did before in a previous video, which you could watch in our catalog.
Put it on the sheet pan, and there you have it. I'm going to continue to make the rest. Now I have the egg here. I put a little water in it. I have a pastry brush, and we're going to brush the top of the calzone.
You use Monterey Jack cheese. Are there other cheeses that you can use for these?
Yeah, you can put mozzarella cheese, pepper jack.
Yeah, okay. Didn't know that.
Now, we sprinkle some Italian seasoning over the top. Each one gets some Italian seasoning. And we're going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Then we're going to pop it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I have my oven set to 380 degrees. Here you have it, Buffalo Chicken Calzone. Enjoy. You see? And I have the ranch dressing here for the dip. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.